Hey guys, it's Sean from TANDM Surf, and I just want to give you guys a quick update. First of all, I want to say happy summertime. I hope everybody's outside enjoying the sunlight, enjoying some water, and you know, we're enjoying ourselves over at TANDM Surf. And actually, to celebrate the beginning of summer, our new 2026 limited edition TANDM Surf Boards have arrived, and they are on location, and we have begun shipping orders out. We got 1,000 boards in. On the same day we got our thousands of boards in, we had hundreds of orders already ready to ship out. I went online and I took advantage of our 2 for $2.99 deal, and I was able to get myself one of the purple flame boards, as you see here, and I also have the 2026 beach edition board that I'll put right here. I also have that brand new in the box, but I got something special planned for that. You guys will see that in the next video. I just wanted to show you guys what comes in the box for the 2026 edition and give you guys some tips that you might need. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip this thing open. Okay, so as you guys can see, that was very easy. All I did was rip open the box, pulled out my tandem board. It's wrapped up very nice and tight for me. So just open this up, we unroll it. Purple Flame 2026 design. Make sure you get yours. They are very limited, so go on tandemsurf.com, order yours today for $1.99 or 2 for $2.99, and you can get both designs. This year, for $1.99, what you'll be getting in the box is just your tandem surfboard, and you'll need a way to inflate your board. Now, you can go on our website. We have a bundle deal where you can get one of our tandem air pumps for an extra $49, and it'll be $249 instead of $199, which is a good deal. But I was thinking, why not come show you guys some better tactics and different ways for you guys to inflate your board? And maybe you have things like this just laying around the house. So what I did was I took my bike pump that I used to inflate my bike tires, and I went on Amazon. You can get one of these off Amazon. I ordered this one off Amazon. And then I also went on Amazon and I ordered a SUP converter for a bike pump. If you just type in stand-up paddleboard converter for your bike pump, this is what you'll get. I got this 2-pack for $5.99. I'll put the links for everything below. So what I did was I just take my bike pump, put my converter in, we'll lock it in like that. Now we're locked in, and you open up your air hole here, and you always want to have the pin up. So make sure your pin is up. When you push down, that's for deflation. Make sure your pin is upright for inflation. You take your SUP converter piece and you'll just lock it on, twist it on. That's what I like about these converter kits that you get off Amazon. They lock in. So you have your standard bike pump, and then you'll also have your converter piece on connected to your tandem surfboard. And from there, you'll just pump away. And as you see, I'm doing all of this poolside. So I wanted to show you guys my electric air pumps. This is one of my favorite and most convenient ways to fill up my tandem board or fill up my stand-up paddle board. Ever since I discovered this, I don't do it another way. So I'll show you guys how I inflate my tandem board very fast. So as you guys see, I got my air pump, and I'll link this air pump below, and I'll show you guys which air pump this is, because it came with different adapters that I can put on it, and it came with a stand-up paddleboard adapter, and that's the one we use for our tandem boards. So I'll show you guys, see how it's on. So I'll show you guys very fast how we pump up our boards. I'll just take my pump, twist it in like this. As you guys see, we got the very nice box here that tells you everything you need to know. So our max air pressure is 10 PSI. So make sure you guys remember that 10 PSI is gonna be your max air pressure. And make sure you follow us on Instagram at TANDM Surf. So we'll go down and we'll set this thing here to 10 PSI and we'll power it on. Now you guys understand why I don't use anything but my electric air pump. I don't have to do anything but plug it into my car, lock it into my board, and as you see, we're getting inflated here. So I'll link the electric pump below, I'll link the bike pump below, I'll link the bike pump converter below, and you guys can choose your way to do it, or you can order an air pump from us. Just make sure you go to www.tandemsurf.com. And you just lock it up like that. Then just like that, we got our 2026 Purple Flame tandem surfboard ready to go. No matter if I was beach side, pool side, home side, no matter what, I can get my board inflated. We've got options to get it inflated. So I don't want to hold you guys too long. What I want to tell you guys is happy summertime once again. www.tandemsurf.com. The boards have arrived. The boards are going out. The boards are on sale. $199, $299 for 2 of them. Get your air pumps from us. Get your bike converters. Get your electric pumps. Get out in the water and have a good time. If you guys are tuning in, make sure we get a like and subscribe on the YouTube channel. We got community events popping up across the country, and we also have giveaways that we'll be doing throughout the summer, so you'll want to be notified. So let's go have some fun.